Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for social media with Hootsuite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start using Hootsuite for social media management, begin by visiting the Hootsuite website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be presented with several registration options. Choose to sign up with your email address or through an existing social media account. If you select the email option, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After filling in your email and password, click on Next to continue. If you are using a social media account, follow the prompts to authenticate and grant permissions. Once you have registered, check your email for a verification message from Hootsuite. Open the email and click on the verification link. After verification, return to the Hootsuite login page. Enter your email address and the password you created earlier. Click on the Login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you can set up your social media profiles. Navigate to the My Social Networks section. Click on Add a Social Network. Select the type of social media account you'd like to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Hootsuite to access your account. Repeat the process to connect additional social media accounts as needed. Once all your accounts are connected, you can start scheduling posts and managing your content. Explore the various features offered by Hootsuite to enhance your social media strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.